वेलकम यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल यूपीएससी बीपीएससी वॉरियर्स। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं रोल ऑफ यूपीएससी प्रीवियस ईयर इन दी 78 बीपीएससी एग्जाम्स। 69 बीपीएससी पे मिडाइवल हिस्ट्री यूपीएससी प्रीवियस ईयर से 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं। अष्टप्रधान वाज अ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर। अष्टप्रधान वाज अ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर। ये क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी 1995 का है और 69 बीपीएससी में पूछा गया था। नेक्स्ट है द अराइवल ऑफ बाबर इनटू इंडिया लेड टू द यूपीएससी 2015 का क्वेश्चन है 69 बीपीएससी में एक लाइन को इंट्रोड्यूस करके, और ये पूछा गया है विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग पोर्ट वाज कॉल्ड बाबुल मक्का गेट ऑफ मक्का ड्यूरिंग द मुगल पीरियड। ये 69 बीपीएससी पे पूछा गया है और ये यूपीएससी 2001 का प्रीवियस ईयर है। मैंने इस वीडियो पे कोशिश किया हूँ 1995 से लेकर 2023 तक मिडाइवल हिस्ट्री के जितने क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं उनको फैक्ट्स बना के सारे कवर किया हूँ। नाउ लेट्स बिगिन। देवराया वन was the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire who constructed a large dam across a Tungabhadra river and a canal cum aqueduct several kilometers long from the river of the capital city. Sayyid, known as the Kulajaran। ये क्वेश्चंस पे हमें मैच करना था कि कौन किस डायनेस्टी से बिलोंग करते हैं। ननकुआ चंडेला डायनेस्टी, जया शक्ति चंडेला डायनेस्टी, नागभट्टू प्रतिहारा डायनेस्टी, भोज प्रतिहारा। अकॉर्डिंग टू पोर्टुगीज राइटर न्यून्स, द वुमेन ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर वर एक्सपर्ट इन रेसलिंग, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, अकाउंटिंग एंड सूटसेइंग। During the reign of Iltutmish, Genghis Khan reached the Indus and it was the first Mongol invasion of India. It was during the reign of Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah, Timur invaded India. Now, Saint Francis Xavier was one of the founding members of the Jesuit order. He died on island of Sanikian. The feast of Saint Francis Xavier is celebrated in Goa every year. Correct sequence in order of size. The largest size is Pargana, Sarkar and Suba. This basically belong to Akbar period time. Hundi. Hundi is a bill of exchange during the post-Harsha period. Amil, in charge of revenue collection during Delhi Sultanate. Mir Bakshi. The office is related to Mughal Empire, look after the military affairs. Tansen was the title given to him by Raja Bikramjit of Gwalior. Tansen composed Drupads on Hindu god and goddesses. Tansen invented many ragas. Tansen composed songs on his patrons. Jahangir shifted emphasis from illustrated manuscripts to album and indivisible portrait. Who was a foreign traveler, discussed about the diamond and diamond mines of India. He was Jean-Baptiste. Harihara I founded the new city on the south bank of a tributary of a river Krishna. Champaka, Himachal Pradesh. Durgara, Jammu. Kuluratta, Himachal Pradesh. Essential elementary elements of the feudal system: a very weak centralized political authority and a very powerful provincial or a local political authority. Basically, in this we have to see the features of the feudal system: emergence of administrative structure based on control and the possession of land, creation of land vassal relationship between the feudal lord and his overlord. Banjaras. Banjaras were traders during the medieval period of India. James Prinsep was the first person who deciphered the edict of Emperor Ashoka. The concept of Bodhisattva is central to Mahayana. Bodhisattva is compassionate on his way to enlightenment. Bodhisattva is a compassionate on his way to enlightenment. Ajanta and Mahabalipuram both have rock-cut monuments. Araghata, watershed used in irrigation of land. Bodh Gaya, it is located in Gaya. Khajuraho, it is located in Bundelkhand. Shirdi, Ahmednagar, Nasik, Maharashtra. Tirupati, Rayalaseema. Taxation system in Krishnadeva. The tax rate on land was fixed depending on the quality of the land. Private owners of worship paid on the industry's tax. In medieval India, Mahatara and Patakila were used for village headmen. Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri was the hall in which Akbar held discussion with the scholar of various religions. Guru Nanak was preaching when the Lodi dynasty fell and took over. Practice of Sufi mystic, meditation and control of breath, severe ascetic exercise in a lonely place, recitation of holy songs to arouse of a state or asceticism their audiences. Dhrupad originated and developed in the Rajput kingdom during the Mughal period. Dhrupad is primarily a devotional, spiritual music. Dhrupad Alps uses Sanskrit syllables from mantras. Buddha was by that time considered as one of the incarnation of Vishnu and thus became the part of Vaishnavism. Nagarjuna, he was not a proponent of Bhakti cult. Vidya Sankara temple, it is located in Karnataka. Rajarani temple, it is located in Odisha. Kandariyat Mahadev temple, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Bhimeshwara temple, it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Jahangir gave the permission to English to set up their first factory in Surat. Virupaksha temple is located in Hampi. During Jahangir time, English East India Company established its first factory in India. Vijayavitla temple located in Hampi, having its 56 carved pillar emitting musical notes. Abdul Hamid Lahori, he was an official historian of region of Shah Jahan. Bhakta Tukaram, contemporary of Jahangir. Correct chronology order of the Afghan ruler: first Bahlol Khan, second Sikandar Lodi, third Ibrahim Lodi. Muhammad bin Tughlaq issued a new gold coin which was called dinar by the Ibn Battuta. In 1613, English East India Company got the permission to set up a factory in Surat. Raja Vodiyar founded the kingdom of Mysore. Venkata II was the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire when Raja Vodiyar founded the kingdom of Mysore. Surya Varman II constructed the Angkor Wat temple. Correct order: first Sankaracharya, Rama Arjuna and then Chaitanya. Narsimha Suluva ended the Sangama dynasty and seized the throne for himself and started the Suluva dynasty. Veera Narsimha deposed the last Suluva ruler and seized the throne for himself. Veera Narsimha was succeeded by his younger brother Krishna Deva Raya. Krishna Deva Raya was succeeded by his half brother Achyuta Raya. Nasiruddin Muhammad was the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. Ahmednagar was annexed into Mughal Empire and Hussain Shah was given the life imprisonment. Banda Bahadur was appointed as the military leader of the Sikh by Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Arjan Dev gave to Sikhs their own script, Guru Mukhi. Guru Arjan Dev became the Sikh Guru after Guru Ram Das. Emperor Akbar marched toward Afghanistan in 1581 with a huge army. Shah Alam II spent the initial years as an emperor far away. Saluva Narsimha put to an end the old dynasty and assumed royal title. Maratha emerged as the strongest native power in India after the decline of Mughal Empire. Babur was an uncle of Ibrahim Lodi and pretender to the throne of Delhi. Ibrahim Lodi's uncle was Babur. Battle of Dharmat, Aurangzeb versus Dara Shikoh. Kitab-e-Naurasa, a collection of songs in praise of Hindu deities and Muslim saints, was written by Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Amir Khusro was the originator in India of the early form of musical style known as Qawwali. Kutubuddin Aibak died while playing Chaugan. Ram Ananda, he gave the first Bhakti saint to use Hindi for the propagation of his message. Firoz Shah Tughlaq set up a separate department of slave. What was the motive behind Shah Jahan Balak campaign to secure a friendly ruler in Balak and the Badkhshan which bordered Kabul? Muhammad bin Tughlaq left Delhi and for 2 years lived in a camp called Swarga Dwari. At the time, Delhi was ravaged by plague and many people died. Sheikh Ahmad Sarandi was a contemporary of Ibrahim Lodi. Sheikh Nasiruddin Chirag-e-Dehlavi was a disciple of Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. Qadri order of Sufi was first introduced in India by Sheikh Niyamutullah and Makhdoom Muhammad Jilani. Lingaraj temple is located in Bhubaneswar. Namdev, tailor, Kabir, weaver, Ravidas, cobbler, Sena, barber. Diwan-e-Bandagan, department of slave, and it was started by Firoz Tughlaq. Diwan-e-Mustaq Raj, it was department of arrows and it was started by Alauddin Khilji. Diwan-e-Kohi, department of agriculture, and it was started by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Diwan-e-Arich, it was department of military started by the Balban. Jagidari system, land allotted big feudal to landlords. Jamindari system, land allotted to revenue farmers of rent collectors. Rayutwari system, land allotted to each peasant with the right to sublet, mortgages, transfer, gift or to sell. Meherwari system, revenue settlement made at a village level. Who streamlined the Maratha administration after Sambhaji? He was Balaji Viswanath. Iqtas was in the region of Delhi Sultans, Jagirs, Mughals, Amram, Vijayanagar, Moksha, Maratha. Ibrahim Adil Shah, a Muslim ruler who held as the Jagat Guru by his Muslim subject because of his belief in secularism. Amir Khusro was the first writer to use Urdu as the medium of poetic expression. During the time of Akbar, for every 10 cavalrymen, the Mansabdar had to maintain 20 horse. The king was freed from his people and they from their king. Badoni commented during the death of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Jahangir, William Hawkins, Shah Jahan, Tavernier, Aurangzeb, Manusi visited during the period of Aurangzeb. 1526 accession of Akbar, 1600 grant of charter to East India Company, 1686 death of Shivaji, 1739 Nadir Shah captured Delhi. Correct order of their build: Qutub Minar, Tughlaqabad Fort, Lodi Garden, then Fatehpur Sikri. Who were Ahdis? Ahdis were the troopers who offered their service singly, did not attach themselves to any chiefs, had their emperors as their immediate colonel. During the reign of Shah Jahan, Dara Shikoh was sent on expedition to Balkha, Badkhshan and Kandahar. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Sultan of Delhi, who is reputed to have built the biggest network of canals in India. So the credit of making the biggest network of canals in India goes to Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Fawazl in the Sultanate period meant excess amount paid to the exchequer by the Iqtidars. Sumant was the Astpradhan of Shivaji who looked after foreign affairs. Abdul Fazl, medieval Indian writer who refers to the discovery of America. Pampa, Kannada literature. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, prominent figure of the Chishti order of Sufi in India. Mir Bakhshi, head of military department during Akbar. Military department head during Akbar was Mir Bakhshi. Balban assumed the grand title of Zille-e-Ilahi. Appa Bharmasa was used in medieval Sanskrit texts in early forms of some of the modern Indian language. Nastaliq was a Persian script used in medieval India. Moin-Uddin Chishti, he was a Sufi saint, maintained that devotional music was one way of coming close to God. Mughal painting reached its zenith under Jahangir. Mansabdari system was introduced for effecting clean administration. Prem Vartika poems on the life of Krishna were composed of Rakshan. Astha Pradhan was a council of ministers in the Maratha administration. Largest dome in the world is Gol Gumbaz of Bijapur. Famous jurist of medieval India was Raja Sikhara. Painting style was not affected by the Mughal painting, that is Kali Ghata.